Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. Since the last time I did a hair video, my hair was way shorter than this, and I think I'm at like a year and 7 months. Yeah, I hit 2 years in July, so I am super excited about that, but we're making hair changes. I'm just gonna dye my roots. My roots are starting to grow out just a little bit. I dyed it like 2 months ago. Yeah, I'm just gonna dye my roots only because I want to dye the front of my hair blonde. I know. I have L'Oreal Bleach 30 Volume Developer. I'm gonna start off with 378 Honey Blonde, Dark and Lovely. I really like this box dye. This is how light I dye my hair to get it like this, because my hair is so dark. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off by dyeing my roots for the rest of my hair, and then going into bleach, since bleach needs less time to process. So I'm just going to quickly tie this back and figure out how many I actually want to dye. I've done this already with temporary color, so I kind of have an idea. I don't think I want to go that far back, but I think these are it. Should I incorporate this one and this one? I don't know. I'm gonna say no and just do these. Nope, not this one. Okay. And since the last time I combed out my locks and separated them, this is what they look like. They're pretty locked, but they're just short compared to the rest of them. I think there was more though. Yeah, this one too. It's falling a little bit longer. They blend well though, because then your hair has like a natural layer to it. So yeah, let's jump into the video. I wish I had like a picture inspiration to show you guys, but I had a really hard time finding the look I'm going for on Locs. So I'll be one of the first. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. So when I'm doing the back of my head, I kind of just freestyle. I feel and place. Feel and place. But I try not to go further down than the root because my hair will lighten more. And I like to try to keep this consistent brown. I have done it before accidentally, and I put dye to like the middle of the shaft of my hair, and it's gotten lighter. You can tell a little bit right there. Not so much, versus like the bottom. You can tell that this is lighter than the bottom, and that's when I've done that. So I try to just stay only on the root. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Okay, so now I am done, pretty much. Actually, a good amount of dye left. So what I'm going to do now is wrap my hair up in a shower cap. I mean, in a plastic bag. It's gonna be like 15 minutes of processing with the bag on my head, and then go back in. I look like a unicorn. And then go back in and see if I left any spots uncovered. See where might need more dye, and so on and so forth. It's kind of lightening, taking longer than I'd like. I'm just so impatient. But we're gonna put a little bit more dye. My arm is tired. Dyeing your own hair and doing it well is definitely a skill, because you cannot see the back of your head, but still manage to saturate the entire thing. sometimes I'll take a lock very easily and just massage it flat. This is the part that's not retwisted. Because I notice a lot of times people dye their hair and it gets patchy. It gets patchy and it looks gross. I do not like patchy dye on locks. But it's so common because people don't properly saturate through the shaft. It doesn't get to all the hair strands. I said stands. You can kind of see the colors changing. Woohoo! Roughly tie it up again.
Stars have burnt out, and your heart makes no sound.
Okay, and we're back. I set the timer for 15 minutes, and now my roots are looking as light as I'd like them to. Look at that. Look at the back of it. Yup. 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 Let's get in tune. Let's get in tune. Giving scalp. We're giving very much scalp. Giving very much scalp. So now that we are like 15 minutes in with the dye, and I think it's basically fully processed, like I'm fine with washing that out soon. We are now going to mix the bleach. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I am so fake nervous right now. Wow, this is crazy. So this big old jar comes with like a serving thing. I'm really eyeballing it. Please don't pay attention to my measurements. I've done this bleaching stuff already, so I'm pretty well versed in the consistency it's supposed to be and how much I think I'm going to need. So I poured some 30 volume developer in there. I'm just using my finger to twirl it around. This is what it's looking like. And the consistency is looking great. Like frosting. Okay.
You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change.
I'm gonna put a 10-minute timer on. We're gonna check it, see how blonde it's getting. If it's ready to wash, if not, we'll give it another 10. It's been 10 minutes and it's still not light in some areas. It is pretty light though. It's definitely giving the honey blonde I wanted. Are you seeing this right now? But you see, like right here, my dark roots are still kind of dark. So we are going to just plop, plop, and plop. I'm gonna put a little on the ends too. I don't want it to turn like an ashy blonde. Okay. I don't want like an ashy white blonde. I want to stick with like a yellow honey blonde because I feel like my rest of my hair is a warm brown. Oh, this process. I'm so impatient. I just can't. I'm going to give it 10 more minutes and then I'm going to wash it out. Regardless of what it looks like, I'm going to wash it out. If I have to go back in with another application of bleach in some spots, I will do that. Same thing for the dye on my hair because I still have some left. Okay, I'm back. It's been 8 minutes. And I'm ready to wash it out. Okay. This is what it's looking like. My roots are more orange than I like, so I think I am gonna go in with that. The Shimmer Lights Blonde and Silver shampoo. One more time, just for like these areas. Like, look, it's dark right there. When I twist it, it's gonna be dark. See, like right there. Yeah, I don't like that patchiness, but as far as like the rest of this one, it went pretty good. Oh, I'm just drying my hair with a t-shirt.
I can help you out. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
I'm just gonna take this conditioner and put a little bit on the ends. Put some on the ends of my hair.
I can't focus. I can't forget.
Okay, it's been another 10 minutes. I think it's looking pretty even, pretty processed. So now I'm going to go wash it out with the purple shampoo. And we're back. So I went in and I dyed this one and this one to add them to the bunch. I think because a lot of the time I part my hair on the side and I'd like to have two on this side. It looks kind of weird because it's not, my hair is not retwisted. But I like it. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's cool, and having it up is definitely a fade. What? And just, you know, bunning it with having the blonde come through. That is cute. Chill, that is cute. Last time I showed you guys how my hair looked once I did it, it was rope twists in, so it looked like nice and curly. That's conditioner, don't mind that. It looked nice and curly and wavy, but I'm actually really feeling just palm rolling and clipping it and then drawing it like that. Oh, this is cute. 6 hours later. No, I'm playing. It wasn't 6 hours, but it definitely was a long time because I had class. I had to retwist my hair. Yes, honey, it's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. And then also dry it because that's also a process. I like it, but I think it has to grow on me. But it's pretty cool. I'm also excited for my roots to grow out just a little bit so I won't feel so much like Slim Shady. I like it with the side part more. I think it's more chill. It's like more blended. So I'll probably be rocking it like that. And then I also like it like something like that. Let me know if you have any questions down below. That was pretty much it. You guys really just watched me freestyle doing my hair all day. But I'm content, so yeah. Oh, also shameless plug, I just released an album. If you haven't heard it, go stream it on all platforms. It's called Back and Forth by Amari Mon'e. Thank you so much for all the love. I'm so grateful. And thanks for tuning in. Until next time.